Hello guys, again welcome back. So in this video I am going to discuss with you inode number, and this is very important topic, inode number, right? So friends, you will have to know what is the inode number, right? Suppose that you are going to log in your system via root, or maybe you are going to log in as a normal user. So no, you know what is the inode number? Inode number is a unique number. You can say that this is the unique number or this is the device number. Whatever you are going to create a file or you are going to create a directories and you are going to create a user, so every directories and every file have a particular inode number, right? Just you can understand, uh, suppose that you have a partition, right? This is a partition, and I will discuss in the partition further, disk management. Okay, so when you are going to format this partition, so obviously you will have to use dev device, and you'll have to give the partition and file system, suppose that ext2 ext4 whatever you are going to file. So it will generate inode number. When you will format this, suppose that I am going to format via, suppose that I have a device tab device, and I have a SDA, this is the device. I am going to format this. How you can format? With the help of mkfs. So this is the file system, make a file system, and ext4 or 3 you can take, no problem, I will discuss. So when you will format, so it will generate the inode number, inode number is a unique number or device number. Easily you can find out. Suppose that you are going to mount and put some data in particular directory, so it will generate the inode number. Okay, so you are going to create a file and folder whatever, so it will generate the inode number. Suppose that I am going to open a terminal here, and you can see here, so already we have created this folder and directories. So easily you can check inode number is already assigned during the create, when you create this india.txt and docker directories kali and knowledge. So you can see inode number. But what is the use case of the inode number? Suppose that your this is your kernel. Okay, already we have discussed about the kernel. What is the kernel? So suppose that I am going to create a directory here. Okay, so in the terminal with the help of mkdir, I am going to create a directory. The name of the directory is kernel. Okay, I know that I created kernel directories, but how device and kernel read this directories? Exactly, the kernel will read with the help of inode number, device number. Suppose that here one person is here. Suppose that and this is the person, and the name of the person is Sunil. Okay, so how I can find out his identity? With the help of Aadhaar number, here this is the unique identification Aadhaar number. With the help of Aadhaar, okay, all the identity we can find out, and name and information, each and everything, creation date, time, everything. Okay, so this is the inode number. So now see how you can check created folder and directories. Okay, so now let's see here, and here I will create some folder and file, and I will see the created inode number. Okay, so here I am going to create a file. Suppose that use touch, and I'm going to create a file here hp.txt. Okay, so txt, this is the file created, cls and chp.txt, and I want to see the inode number of this hp.txt. Okay, so how you can see, you want to see the inode number whatever you are going to create, so you want to see inode number. In the case of file, you will have to use ls hyphen I for inode number and the name of the file hp.txt. You can see the inode number, right? This is the inode number. Similarly, I have the file india.txt. Easily you can see, use ls hyphen I and india.txt. See the inode number, right? So in the case of when you are going to create a file, suppose that you create a file and you want to see this inode number, you will have to use command ls hyphen I. And similarly, you are going to see the directories inode number. So you will have to use ls hyphen id d for the directories and the name of the directory. Please remember this syntax, it's very important. And see, come on the terminal. So I am going to create a directory here and you can see the inode number of the directories. Okay, suppose that I am going to create a directory mkdir and the name of directory is, suppose that bitcoin. Okay, this is the directory is created. You can see ls hyphen l. So bitcoin directory is created. Where is gone bitcoin? This is the bitcoin. Now see the inode number of the bitcoin. Use ls hyphen id because we are looking inode number of this bitcoin directory. See, and use your bitcoin. So you can see the inode number of the bitcoin, right? So it means every directory has been created, auto created in the inode number. Suppose that you want see all created this file and folder inode number you want to see. Okay, so how you can see, use here ls hyphen I. It means it will show the inode number of the created file and folder, each and everything. You can see this is the inode number, unique identification number. But what is the real use case of this inode number? What is the real use case? Suppose that, friend, suppose that we have a file. Suppose that I created a file and the name of file is triple s. Okay, this is the file txt, and I have same similar file triple s x dot triple s dot txt, and similar I have this file in different location triple s dot txt. Suppose that I have three files in the same name, but where you find this triple s dot txt with the help of find command, friends? Obviously find command will find all the three files at the different location where they where maybe a file is in opt directory, temp directory and the root folder. So it will find out with the help of find command. Okay, so here let's see the example. So first of all, see one more example, ls hyphen I and use l long list. This is the inode number. What is this? This is a permission I will discuss in further videos. But friends, if you want see in the number list and you want count this, easily you can use your wc hyphen l. Use ls hyphen I for inode number and the use case, use the pipe symbol and wc word count hyphen l. So it will show inside the current pwd here the 32 number of file folder each and everything, and there is the inode number each and everything. So now see, I'm giving one most important thing. Suppose that I have a file and we have two file, right? So here see, this example I am going to give you. Okay, so same file I will create accordingly. So I'm going to create a file touch. Okay, so here, so easily you can understand what I'm saying. Suppose that I am going to create a file touch triple s dot txt. Okay, and same file I will create in different location. Okay, so I am going to create a file touch and the location is temp and same file SSS.txt. Okay, file is created. Now see the inode number of SSS.txt and the inode number of this. So both both the file we have created, and I check the inode number. Use ls-i and first check the SSS.txt. This is the inode number of this SSS.txt. Now see another ls-i and use this temp directory we have created SSS.txt file. See the inode number is not same, different, right? Inode number is difference. Now I am going to use the find command to find this SSS.txt file with the help of find command. Already we have discussed about the find command. Okay, so now I am going to find SSS.txt file with the help of find. Okay, so find, give the location of the root and the name of the file, what SSS.txt. So it will find all the file, not only root, even after will find inside the temp directories. Okay, suppose that you are working in a production environment and in the server maybe 1000 file, 3000 file, 600 file. When you will find with the help of find command, so it will find out all the commands at the moment of time, right? But with the help of inode number you can find out particular file. Suppose that I want find out this file only inside temp directories, not where a root location is file available, opt directories file available. I don't want, only I want this temp directories. So you can use here inode number. See, find and give the location of root, and you want find out the command, find out the file with the help of inode number. Use here hyphen inum. What is the inum? Inum is inode number, and you will have to write this inode number. You want this file, so you will have to put this inode number. You want this, you will have to write this inode number. So I am using this inode number and copy this and paste here, or directly you can write here, no problem. So it will find only this temp directories SSS.txt file. So this is the real use case of the inode number, right? And one more important things I am going to share with you, friends. One more important things. See, suppose that here already we have discussed copy command and mv command. Suppose that this is your file, and I will change the color so you can understand. Suppose that, friends, this is a file we have created SSS.txt. Okay, SSS.txt, and when you will copy this, so what could happen, and when you will move this file, what could will happen? Okay, so first I will copy this command. Okay, when you will copy, what could happen, and when you will move, so what could happen? So make sure, this is very very important things I am going to share with you. So both of the things I will discuss to you. Number one, when I will copy this file, and number two, I will move. Okay, so here see, I will copy this in different location. So what could happen is inode number will change or not. Okay, you don't know, don't worry about this. We will check the real scenario. Okay, so here first I am going to copy. So you can see we have created this, that's SSS.txt and this SSS.txt. So here I will copy this in different location. Okay, so here, first of all, see the inode number of ls-i and SSS.txt. This is the inode number, and this file I will copy in different location. Okay, so I am going to create a two directories, and name of the directory is board. Suppose that one directory is board1, and another directory I'm going to create mkdir, and location is root, and I'm going to create both directory. Okay, so two directory I have created, and first time I will copy in this directory this file, and second time I will move this in this directory. Okay, so in that case what could happen? Okay, so inode number change will be changed or not, so both the case we will use here. Okay, so first I will copy this SSS.txt in boot directory. Okay, this is the boot 1 directory, and here this is the boot 2 directory. Okay, according to image you can understand. So I am going to the terminal. So first I will copy this SSS.txt, use cp SSS.txt, and where you want copy, I want copy in the boot 1 directory. So it is copy, go inside the cd and boot 1 and ls data is copy. Now I want to see the inode number of this boot 1. So how you can use, see ls hyphen I. So we are looking the inode number of the file. The file is created inside. We have copy in which location? We have copy in boot 1 directories. So use ls hyphen I and SSS.txt, and where we have copy in boot 1. So see friends, you can see the inode number of XXX is this. When I copy, so inode number is change. Friends, inode number is change. See, so here it means when you copy the data, so inode number will be definitely change. And suppose that I copy recently, so what is the inode number of this? So inode number is change of SSS.txt. It means you can apply here permission in different. Yeah, this color is good. Okay, you can apply individual permission ACL whatever in this SSS.txt. Okay, so please remember when you copy the data, so inode number will be changed, definitely change, because partition is going to change, the location is changed. Okay, so this is the unique inode number, and obviously inode number definitely change. Okay, in the case of copy. Now I'm going to move the data, so what could happen? Inode number will change or not. So now let's see the example. So here already we have discussed. So I am going to same things. This is the file SSS.txt. I will move this where I will move this in a boot 2 directory. So use mv and SSS.txt where you will move this in boot 2 directory. So data is moved. You can ls and see from the terminal. Data is moved, SSS.txt moved. Now see the inode number of this ls-i and use SSS.txt and where we copy this in both to direct. Yeah, I'm going to run syntax here, and where boot to, and the name of the file is SSS.txt. You can see the inode number. So here friends, you can see the inode number is same. There is no difference between inode number when you will move the data. Okay, 34342375, 34342375, inode number is same, right? So exactly you can understand what I am saying. When you move the data, okay, so in that case inode number will be same. Okay, in the case of copy, the data will be changed. This is very important things I am sharing with you. Okay, the inode number is same when you move the data, and when you will copy the data, so inode number will be changed. And you can apply permission here. So suppose that here the permission in this, whatever the permission, so obviously permission will be applying both sides the same. Okay, so both inode numbers permission will be same. So this is the inode number and this is the unique number. Obviously interviewer asks the question, what is inode number, right? What is inode number and what is use case of the inode number, right? So this is sufficient to learn DevOps technology, and I am going to thanks in this video and see you in the next video with the new topic, and the topic will be link. Okay, so thank you, all the best and take care.